At a theater, there are 30 rows of seats. The first row has 20 seats, and each row behind the first has 2 seats more than the row in front of it. The last row has 78 seats. What is the total number of seats in the theater? Since every row behind has 2 seats more, the total number of seats in each row can be represented as an arithmetic series, 20, 22, 24 and so on till 78. Therefore, we need to find the sum of the numbers in this series to find the total number of seats in the theater. Using Gauss's method, we will first write down the sum of the numbers in the series S in the forward way. Then, we will write down the same sum in the reverse order. We will then add the numbers in pairs in both the series. You will notice that each pair of numbers adds up to 98. Therefore, we can write it down as 2s equal to 98 plus 98 plus 98 and so on till 98. Since there are 30 rows, there would be 30 pairs of 98. Therefore, 2s is equal to 30 times 98, which implies s equals 30 times 98 divided by 2, which is equal to 15 times 98, which is equal to 1470. Therefore, total number of seats in the theater is 1470. Thank you for watching.